little tuffle here in one of the lounges. For some reason my priority pass wasn't quite working the best, but my husband came to the rescue and fixed it. I couldn't find like my password, and I don't know. And then they always ask the security question, and I think I had my mom's maiden name, and I always fib on those things. I don't know about you guys, but security like don't actually give the right answers because you never know. And I forgot what I had did because it's been several years since I've actually used the priority pass. So the island that we're flying to is called Koh Samui. It's about an hour flight from Bangkok. We're so excited. The places that we have booked there are so cute. Like, I'm so excited to stay at these hotels, these resorts. And then obviously we're like, one of them we're on beachfront, so like I don't think we've ever stayed anywhere that had a beachfront kind of resorty vibe. I'm so excited. I can't contain it. I'm like excited. Of course I'm nervous about flying because I kind of always am a little nervous, but I'm so excited for this vacation. Like, I don't think I've even said this yet in this video, but yeah, this is gonna be our first vacation, like full-on vacation, going somewhere outside of what's called home in like 2 years, so we're excited. Obviously, like, we moved to Hong Kong last year. That's a bit of a vacation, right? Because we're exploring and yada yada. It's all new, but like to leave Hong Kong for just a little while, we're just so grateful. We're filled with love and light and joy, and we're just like so excited for these next few weeks. But yes, we're headed to Koh Samui. We fly out in about 45 minutes, and yeah, this lounge is adorable. Like, what is this cute setup? Yeah. I'm dying. We made it to Koh Samui. I'm like filled with so much giddiness and excitement and just like pure joy. We're here. We're on the ground and we're here for a full week. My anxious heart is settling already. I'm just, oh, I can't. This place that we're staying at, gorgeous. Like, gorgeous. I don't have any other words. It's beautiful. Let me show you. What?
Very traditional.
That's okay. We're having a total like German European sort of situation right now.
You gonna try this?
Yes, it's so good. Can I have some more?
No, like this.
Oh. What?
Well, I haven't had this in 1.5 years, and sort of.
You're bringing back home?
I know.
Cheers.
First glass of red wine in 1.5 years.
Butter and what?
Fleischwurst. Here.
What?
Fleischwurst. Yeah.
Me. Yum.
No, just take that side. Yeah.
Nope. Nah. We got some Thai German salami. I'm a big salami pepperoni gal, but like Thai German salami. It's really yummy. And we got a sandwich situation.
What's going on? Whoa. Another gas station.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Wow. That was so cool.
Well, I could have done without it.
Yeah, we just got totally poured on in the rain on these on the
Country
scooter.
road. Country road. See, I couldn't even. I had this on, and I couldn't
Yeah, his
see.
glasses. Oh, I
My
look drunk
Oakley's
and I'm
fogged
not.
up.
What?
My Oakley's fogged up.
Look at my hair. Oh my gosh. That was so cool. Over there. It was the best one you ever had.
They're definitely the yummiest.
Those are just vegetarian egg rolls.